You ready, son?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's sew this together. Okay? Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Push the needle through. Right here.
There?
Yeah, as close to the top as you can right here. Push it through. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
Pull.
Mm-hmm.
Pull it, no, pull it all the way. Pull it all the way, pull. There. Now go over the top. Keep it
Guys,
tight.
are you ready?
Put it right there. No, up top, right here, right next to the old.
Guys, say cheese.
Cheese. Pull it all the way. Pull. Now come around. You
Now.
gotta keep moving this way and this way and this way. More and
Now.
this way.
Guys,
Good.
say cupcakes.
Cupcakes. Pull tight. Now keep moving that way. There you go. There's your last stitch. Push. Watch your finger. You're gonna push your finger. Be careful. Pull. And I pull. There. I think that's as much as you're gonna get. All right. Push stop. You're not videotaping anymore.
Oh.
Come here.
Sorry. I know how to do it.
Katie, we're done.
We're done?
We're done.
But where's my hat for my Barbie? The needle, what about that?